Hello everyone, gonna make a quick chili um, and I'm using this recipe here, and these are the things that I'm going to be using. This is all going into the crock pot. The white corn, diced tomatoes, black beans, pinto beans, kidney beans. I'm using a little bit of this hot sauce right here with a little bit of habaneros, and then beef broth, and then these two packs right here, this one and that one. And like I said, everything goes into a crock pot, which is right over here. But before we do that, I have to cook the meat a little bit. So basically we're using, instead of using ground beef, we're using ground turkey. A little bit more healthier because we've been eating a lot of beef lately. So that's what we'll be using, 2 of those. And I put a little bit of olive oil and a little piece of butter so it wouldn't stick. I'm gonna cook the meat about 95% of it done, and while it's still nice and hot, that goes into the crock pot in here with all this stuff, and that's it. And then leave it in there for about 4 hours. So I'll keep you updated. Okay, so now I have the crock pot set at medium, and I put all the cans in there, everything everything that comes in the can, just pour it in there, and both of those sauces, yeah, those are these spices, and a lot of this stuff. I mean, everything you can buy at Walmart, and everything's in there. You want to stir it up a little bit and get everything kind of mixed up. Wow, that already smells so good. And then so now it's warming up, and it's going to be there for about 4 to 4.5 hours, and then we're going to do the meat now. All right, so I put the lid on it, and it's getting nice and cooked in there in a crock pot, and then I have the turkey going right here. Next step, guys, you want to make sure that the ground turkey has been cooked. Looking for any pinkness to it. And this one looks like in good shape already, and pretty much is ready to be put into the crock pot. And remember, guys, you don't want to add any salt or anything like that to it, because it's going to already have that with the condiments that you're going to add to it. So you should just add everything that's in there, add it into the crock pot. Chevy, what's up, buddy? You like the food? Does it smell good? Oh, you too, huh, Barbie? But y'all don't get that kind of food. Y'all get that kind of food. Sorry, buddy. Sit. Go. Oh, we're sweeties. Alright, guys. Okay, now I just added everything from there into the crock pot. Now we take it and we move it around, make sure that all the beef, sorry, not the beef, turkey, gets mixed in with everything. And then all this is gonna get all flavored up. Wow, smells very, very delicious. Okay, once you stir it up a little bit, like I did, you shouldn't have to stir it anymore. At this point, you put your lid, and you make sure that it's sitting on medium, and that's gonna stay like this for another 4 hours, and voila. All right, let's try it. Let's see here. That smells so good. Let's see here. Ooh, very good, perfect. Alright, so she's done. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoy it. Anybody can make their own chili at the house. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.